Gwen, thanks. We are just about down to the wire here, and with just 2 days left to Christmas, if you are still struggling to cross more names off your list, then you're in luck. We have some help from some local merchants in what we are calling our Made In series. And these are products that are locally made and all in our area, and we have a lot to get to. So let's get started with our first business. Hello. Introduce yourself. Tell us where you're from.
Hi, my name is Anna, and my products are made in Reston, Virginia.
Okay, so you have jewelry.
I do, and I have all kinds of really unique pieces. My goal is to always make one of a kind, and I have a lot of help from beautiful natural stones, so I get a lot of inspiration from the materials that I use. And I also have some pieces that even feature some handmade fine silver. So I've dabbled into, some just really making it unique and offering a lot of different styles, and so it's been a wonderful kind of hobby to get into. Very creative.
Yeah, and the name of your company?
AML Designs.
Okay, and just to let everyone know, we do have how you can contact the business at the bottom of your screen as well. And how much stock do you have in case anybody needs a last-minute item?
I've got some good stock.
You got some good stock, all right. All right, Anna Londano, you know how to contact her there. Next up, we have Michelle Ned. Tell us where you're from.
Hi, my name is Michelle Ned, and I am made in Maryland.
Okay. And you are Fete Adorn?
Yes, Fete Adorns is my company. It's an online boutique. I make several different things, especially my signature ties, my Adorn ties here.
Where do you get your fabrics, like the inspiration and all that?
Well, actually, the thing is that I like a lot of print and colors and design,
Beautiful.
so it's easy to pop an outfit if you have on something solid or plain, just something with a lot of color and design. And
you do pillow covers, and these are button covers, you said?
Yeah, these are pillow covers that fit 18 by 18 to 20 by 20 pillows, and I do button earrings. So if you see, like I have on my ears, button earrings. There's studs, but they pop out because they're pretty big. So.
Okay. All right. And you have stock in case anybody needs anything?
Plenty of stock, and I deliver shipping pretty quickly.
All right.
Yeah.
Good selling point. All right, Lauren, over to you for our next guest.
Well, I'm over here hanging with the guys, and so we're talking crafts. So we're going to start off here with some lovely woodwork, and I love the coloring here. Tell us your name, where the stuff is made, and tell me about it.
Sure. My name is Victor Barranco, and we're based in Woodbridge, Virginia, and we're a husband and wife woodworking team. Our company's called A & Beak, and our hottest selling item are these awesome serving trays and cutting boards. These are all locally harvested lumber from the DC area, kind of paired with African and South American hardwoods, and these are all natural colors, so that makes them super cool to look at.
I love very vibrant.
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask the same question. Is it possible to get these items in time for Christmas? We just have a few hours now at this point.
We do. Well, we do have a lot of these items, especially these ones in stock. We have a lot more at home, so it really depends. We do custom work, and so we also do custom engraving, so whether it's a wedding date or an anniversary, or especially with these serving trays, if you just want to serve breakfast in bed to your significant other.
Or something rather unique.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and we're
you.
going to move along now. I'm loving this product. This is for the active person in your life. Sir, your name?
My name is Ben King, and this is Armor Down. We are a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business.
Where are you based?
Out of Chevy Chase, Maryland.
Okay.
We teach mindfulness to the warrior community. And this smart mat is perfect for a loved one that you may imagine needs mindfulness, but don't imagine that person going to a yoga studio or meditation studio. They can train with Armor Down right through this mat.
And so you employ veterans.
We work with veterans. And, yes.
And also, you were saying this really could help with someone dealing with PTSD, things like that.
There's a lot of evidence out there that suggests, and a lot of people like myself who have practiced mindfulness-based techniques to armor down and find ways back into their community and their environment in a way that's smoother.
Awesome work. Okay, and same deal with the ladies over there. All the information on your screen, and you can find it online. I want to head back over to Sarah.
All right, now we're getting to the food, guys. My favorite part. And I have a lady here who has the best name in the world. Say it.
Sarah. And our products are all made in Washington, D.C.
Okay, and the name of your business?
Gordy's Pickle Jar.
Okay, so tell me, what all do you pickle here? Because we're not just talking pickles.
Yeah, we have a pretty extensive line. We do pickled peppers, cucumbers. We do a cherry pepper spread. We also do a Bloody Mary mix. This is our newest product. It's fine brine, which is essentially our hot chili spears filtered out for dirty martinis.
Ooh, that's a good
or
idea.
a number of different cocktails. So yeah.
And you have plenty of stock, you know,
We
if
get
anybody needs a
lots
last
of
minute.
stock, and all of our retailers have are well stocked, so
Okay.
you could order direct from us, or you could.
And they can find a list of retailers, I'm sure, through your website.
On our website.
Okay,
Yep.
great. All right, thank
Well,
you, Sarah.
Would you guys like to try a? Would you like to try a pickle?
I can't go.
So this is our award-winning sweet chips.
Okay,
They're similar to a bread and butter, but we.
I love that.
I love
Yay.
pickle bro.
Would you like a pickle too?
I'm going to
Okay,
wait
let's
to
get-
introduce our next guest over here with some more. I'm talking with my mouth full, so you
That's
take
all right.
over. What you got?
My name is Anita Benton. My product is made in Virginia. And I have Southern Roots Granola with Soul. We all need some soul to our Christmas, right? So we have Southern-inspired granola flavors like red velvet, pecan praline, Mississippi red velvet, pecan praline, Alabama peanut butter.
Delicious.
It's really good, yeah.
So this is where we follow up the pickles with like some sort of...
With some pecan praline. This is so good.
Perfect stocking stuffer.
It is a great stocking stuffer. It's really good on a salad, too. People think that granola is just for yogurt. I put this on my salad with brie and strawberries and spinach. It's also good on butternut squash soup.
It's going to be good for a last-minute Christmas meal. Can people get it in time?
Yes, they can get it in time. Just to call the number, and we will make sure that they get it in time.
Jazz up your party, or maybe for a New Year's party or something.
Great for a New Year's party, New Year's brunch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love
That
it.
is delicious.
Thank you.
Wonderful stuff. Thank you to
Thank
everybody over there for coming in and sharing your items with us.
Also, just so you know, all the information is on our website as well, fox5dc.com, on how you can get some of these wonderful items.